Our mission was to be leaders in sustainability and to establish excellence in architecture. These buildings are reflective of what is going on all over the world. The Bloomberg Center aspires to be net zero, and this is what led us to have the solar arrays on top of the buildings.
You won't see this anywhere else in the world. There's custom modules, custom racking, unique design elements that all took into account the architect's vision for these buildings. Everyone knew that this was going to be on the world stage in New York City and seen by millions of people. So Bar & Bar, Cornell, Morphosis, Arup, and Distributed Sun all had a lot of input into the aesthetics of this system.
I feel inspired just coming to the campus, and I think the students feel that as well.
As a Cornell alum, it means a lot to me to see this school taking sustainability seriously and taking concrete steps to help reduce their carbon emissions.
A lot of the schools we deal with, the students are telling the schools, what are you doing in renewables? What are you doing in sustainability? Students are clamoring for signs of renewable activities on campus.
The university is really at the forefront of sustainability. They embody it in their curriculum. We ask our students to be bold and produce effective products and ideas to have a positive effect on society. So we here too are showing that we practice what we preach. We are setting the standards for academic construction while inspiring our students that are here.
Students flick a switch and the lights go on in their room. This gives them a real hands-on opportunity to see how that happens.